This is the Avionaut Sky 2. It's now been replaced with the Sky AirFlow. It's exactly the same seat, the inserts are the same, it's just got different fabrics. So this video will apply to both the 2.0 and the AirFlow. This car seat is suitable from birth to either 1.25 m or 25 kilos, and it will last most children until they're somewhere between 5 and 6 years old. But because it's suitable from birth, it's got a newborn insert, and that insert is removed in stages as the baby gets bigger, and I'm just going to talk you through what those stages are and how to remove the various bits. This little Avionaut baby doll is 40 centimeters long, and that is the height that all of Avionaut's car seats that are suitable from birth are approved from. For a baby as little as this one, you would use the complete inserts with all of the bits still in place. I'm going to take the baby out now and just put him to one side to show you the block that he has been sitting on. But probably you will remove the discs that are on the side before you ever take that block out. It does depend on the baby, and Avionaut don't specify which bit needs to come out when. There's no particular order, so you just take the bits out that are in the way as the baby gets bigger. Now, some babies will be quite long and slender, other babies might be a bit shorter and more chunky, so just depending on your baby's proportions, you can either remove the side discs first or the block first, but I think in most cases these bits here on the side will come off first. So there's quite a tight space here for a very, very small baby, and you remove these discs. They're just attached with Velcro just to give the baby's shoulders and arms a bit more room as they grow. Then there's the block that the baby sits on. That's just loose, that just comes out like this. So this baby is a little bit bigger, probably a few months old, and I've now put him in without the block and without the side bits so to give his arms a bit more room because he's a bit more chunky. And then when the baby gets bigger and even wider in the shoulders, what you can do is take out the whole insert, just for now, because the side wings are actually enforced at the top. So these bits here are quite thick, but the bottom is really floppy. So that will mean that the baby's going to be sitting like this with their arms all squashed. So what you then do is this removes with Velcro. So you take them off one by one and you swap them over, and then you stick them back down. And now the enforced bit, the thicker bit, is lower down, but they've got more room in their shoulders. So that means that they've got support here at the sides, but the arms are freer to move. So I've now put the insert back in. I'm now going to show you the head insert, because that's obviously not a very big space. It's got memory foam, so it's quite squidgy. So the baby's head can get quite big in it, but there will come a point where it no longer fits. So then you just remove the slip cover from the headrest to give an older child more space for their head. And this is my big 1-year-old doll. So I've just put him in, and he's still got the bottom insert behind him. The head insert has been removed, and the side wings have been turned upside down so that there's more room at the shoulders. And then a while later, when the side wings get in the way, you can remove those. You just, like I showed earlier, just peel them off with Velcro, and you can still leave the bottom cushion in for a while longer while that's still comfortable. And then eventually that will also come out, and then you've got a seat that is suitable for a bigger child up to, like I said, 1.25 m. 1.25 m is actually 7 years old. This car seat realistically isn't going to last all the way up to 7, but it should last somewhere between 5 and 6. And the headrest is moved up like this. So the headrest can come up into different positions to fit a growing child. This car seat's unique newborn insert has given it the approval of the German campaign for healthy backs. If you'd like to read more information on that, there is a link in the description. I do have a doll that's the size of a 4-year-old, but unfortunately I didn't think to get him out of the garage, so the video is going to have to end with an empty car seat, I'm afraid, but hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon.